Hello everyone, welcome back. Not receiving calls or SMS on your LycaMobile. In this video, we will show you how to fix it fast. Let's get started. Why LycaMobile not receiving calls or SMS? Incorrect message center number MCN can prevent SMS from being sent or received. Network compatibility issues may arise if the device does not support the required frequencies. Manual network selections may be necessary as automatic connections can fail in some areas. Device settings may need adjustment, such as enabling roaming or selecting the correct network mode. Fix 1. Restart your device. Restarting your device can refresh the network connections and resolve temporary glitches that may be preventing calls or SMS from coming through. Restart iPhone, press and hold the side button and one of the volume buttons, then slide to power off. After a few seconds, turn it back on. Restart Android. Press and hold the power button, then select restart or power off. After a few seconds, turn the device back on. Fix 2. Switch among network modes. Changing the network mode can help improve connectivity in areas with weak signals, allowing your phone to connect to a more stable network type that supports calls and SMS. For iOS, tap on cellular, then select cellular data options, choose voice and data, and select a different network mode one by one, example 2G, 3G, or LTE or 4G. For Android, go to settings, tap on connections or network and internet, then select mobile networks, tap on network mode, and choose a different option one by one, example 2G, 3G, or LTE or 4G. Fix 3. Check SMS center number. An incorrect MCN can prevent SMS messages from being sent or received because it directs the messages to the wrong server. It should be 3375100011. If it's different, update it. Restart your phone and try sending it again. For iOS, scroll down to messages, then tap on Message Center or SMSC to enter the correct SMS center number. For Android, open the phone app, dial #4636 #, tap on phone information, scroll to SMSC, enter the correct SMS center number and tap update. Fix 4. Manually select network providers. Sometimes automatic network selection fails and manually choosing the correct network can help establish a connection. Android manual network selections. Go to settings, then connections, then go to mobile networks, then network operators. Tap on network operator or a similar option to view available networks. Select the LycaMobile network from the list of available networks. iOS manual network selections. Go to settings, then cellular, then go to cellular data options, then go to network selections. Turn off automatic to enable manual network selection. Select the LycaMobile network from the list of available networks. Fix 5. Reset network settings. Resetting your network settings can often resolve connectivity issues. For iPhone, go to settings, then general, then go to transfer or reset iPhone, then reset, then go to reset network settings. For Android, go to settings, then system, then reset options, then reset Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth and confirm. Fix 6. Check country availability. There may be no available networks in the area you are roaming, or your device may not be compatible with local networks. Go to Leica country check page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Make sure the country is listed there. For example, in Asia, Leica mobile service is only available in India and Sri Lanka.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.